Hi, Vicky Siciliano here from Say Wow Marketing. Before I even continue, I just want to address the elephant in the room. If you notice this area is kind of dark, it's because one of my studio lights blew this morning. But you must go on with the show, right? And visual marketing is so totally important, and I really believe in sharing my videos with you. So here we go. For 3 days on CreativeLive.com, June 9th, June 10th, which is today, and June 11th, you can catch Instagram marketing with Sue B. Zimmerman, hashtag InstaGalLive. She's super awesome, and she's just going to get you really engaged so that you can learn how to use Instagram to market your business, to build your brand, and to engage people and get new customers. Okay, so I totally believe in it, and I really was very excited to connect with her on Facebook a few months ago. We actually talked after the first day yesterday, and she's going to be an expert interview for my new book that's coming out, Smartphone Photography for Small Businesses and Entrepreneurs. So that's the first time I've actually announced it officially live right here. And it's going to be featured on the podcast and also right here on YouTube. So I think it's awesome. Instagram marketing, check it out. It's still going on June 9th, June 10th, and June 11th. And you can check it out, CreativeLive.com. It's live for those 3 days. Then you can purchase the course, which I already did. I totally believe in CreativeLive.com and what they do, and bringing real value to people who want to learn more about the online space. And there's really not many places that you can go. There's no local school here in Wayne, New Jersey that I can go to just take a very specific course. They bring on these experts that are phenomenal. James Wedmore, studied with him, learned how to do this video marketing I'm doing right now. This is being recorded with my iPhone 5S. How would I have learned that? So also for my podcast, Chris Gilbertson, she had a course there, and I took it off, and I studied even more with her and launched my own podcast, Smarter Online Marketing, which this audio is going to be also featured on the podcast. So I'm hoping to bring over some more listeners to Creative Live who don't watch video and just want to listen, on their podcast wherever they are. So CreativeLive.com. Check out Instagram marketing with Sue B. Zimmerman, June 9th, June 10th, and 11th. Okay, so looking forward to the second day of the training, and looking forward to having her featured on my channel here, on my podcast, and in my book. I think it'll be super awesome, right? So if you love hashtag InstaGalLive, much as I do, post your comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.